Polish your writing. Unlock the power of effective communication. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for all English learners and writers out there: how to polish your writing. Polishing your writing is not just about correcting errors. It's about enhancing your text to make it as clear, engaging, and effective as possible. Let's embark on this journey to discover how you can transform your writing from good to great. Stay tuned. Polishing your writing means refining your work to improve clarity, effectiveness, and readability. It involves several key steps beyond basic grammar and spelling checks. Think of it as the difference between a rough diamond and a meticulously cut gem that shines brilliantly. Polishing makes your writing clearer, more engaging, and more professional. One of the first aspects of polishing your writing is ensuring clarity and precision. Every sentence should convey its message clearly and concisely. Avoid ambiguity and ensure your reader can understand your ideas without confusion. This often involves rephrasing, removing unnecessary words, and choosing the right vocabulary for your audience. Your writing should flow smoothly from one idea to the next, maintaining coherence throughout. Transitional phrases and a well-organized structure are crucial for guiding your reader through your arguments or narrative. Ensuring each paragraph serves a clear purpose and connects logically with the rest enhances readability and impact. Using active voice and strong, vivid verbs can significantly enhance your writing. Active voice makes your sentences more dynamic and easier to follow, while strong verbs convey your actions and descriptions more powerfully. Compare, "The meeting was led by John," with "John led the meeting," to see the difference in impact. No polishing process is complete without thorough editing and proofreading. This stage is about catching and correcting grammatical errors, typos, and punctuation mistakes. But it's also about listening to the rhythm of your sentences, ensuring consistency in style and tone, and making sure your writing is as perfect as it can be. Polishing your writing is a vital step in the writing process that can dramatically improve the quality of your work. It's not just about fixing mistakes. It's about refining your writing to clearly communicate your ideas and engage your audience. We hope this video has shed some light on how you can polish your writing effectively. Keep practicing, stay curious, and always strive to improve. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.